Hello everyone, Atif here. Hope you are all well. Today I wanted to talk about trading reversals and run through a chart that I've been monitoring in anticipation of a weekly reversal. The chart is Euro Swiss franc, and starting with a daily time frame, we can see price in a clear downtrend. Zooming out to the weekly chart, sellers have pushed the price back towards a strong support level where we've seen it bounce 3 times before. The daily 200 moving average is also in the way, and a close above it would give it a more bullish bias and a higher likelihood of price bouncing again. Now, it is important for the price to stay above the moving average. If it breaks below, then the potential reversal will no longer be valid. The safest way to catch this reversal is drop down to a smaller time frame and wait for a change in trend. So dropping down to the 4-hour, price is in a downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows. As we approach that strong support highlighted on the weekly chart, we can see price starting to consolidate and sellers start to dry up. Now, identify a strong level and an area where you would want price to break in order to change the current downtrend. On here, this weekly pivot is a level I'm watching out for a clean break to the upside. Move up here will not only be an area where buyers have more control, but it will also break the previous 4-hour high. Once the price breaks above this level, I will look to place a buy limit order to catch the first retest and a stop loss below support level, either below this weekly pivot or even in the previous swing low if you want to be less aggressive with your stop. Using a limit order will give you more control of your stop loss and allow you to bring it up quickly should price start turning again. Once the price changes trend and starts cycling, you can start scaling in and adding to your order with every retest. I'll quickly go through the weekly reversal in April to just paint a picture of what I'm looking for. Here we see the 4-hour downtrend. Price hits the strong supports, starts consolidating as sellers start disappearing. Identify a level for price to break, which would be here. Wait for a clean break and a push from buyers. Place a buy limit order on the retest of this level with stop loss in a sensible place. Now you can see buyers start to push higher. Prices change trend, and with every retest of levels and the moving average, you can start adding into your order and scaling in, ensuring you keep bringing your stop up to a sensible level and locking profit in with each additional order. Now these here are the 4-hour cycles. What you can also do is drop down to the 1-hour chart and take advantage of trading these cycles. You can see clear bounces every time price bounces off the 20 moving average. And with the 1-hour time frame, as the cycles are smaller, I usually do not scale into these trades. I just take quick 20 to 30 pips at a time. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it's given you more confidence to trade reversals. That's it for me. Happy and safe trading.